up everyone, it's Jan Wars, new video, and in this video I would like to share with you one thought, because I was confronted with one photographer, portrait photographer, that the portrait photography is over because of the guys who's shooting with strangers. And I really would like to debunk this, because I don't know if you're following me for a longer time and so on my social media and something like this. I'm going in streets of Bucharest when I'm now actually, or Prague, and with the GoPro and with the camera and asking strangers if they would like to have a pictures, portraits with me, and I'm very successful in it, kind of. And I just want to say that if you think that this kills the portraits photography business, lowering prices and so on, I would say it cannot be much farther from truth. There are a few points regarding this. First of all, imagine the logics. First of all, you go to people which are not prepared that you will ask them. They are not 5 seconds before, they don't even know they want pictures and never maybe even thought about it. Lots of those people are very shy, and especially women, they are also a very not confident in like most of them, especially in the case I was shooting with, where they're like, but I'm not pretty, I'm not photogenic, blah blah blah. Those people in general would never call a photographer to take a picture out of them. They would never buy a service of a photographer. So take it like from few points. First point is that this session takes like 5 to 10 minutes. So if I'm successful grabbing a person on the street, asking for photography, have a little small chit chat, maintain the atmosphere, the right mood, the right confidential, because you know the people need to trust you first to even do it. So the approach must be very nice. You're basically doing amazing service for photographers in general, because it's like, oh my god, this is actually kind of cool. So first thing, that you give them to the comfort zone, that they say like, okay, I'm not actually afraid of taking photography. So you're firstly changing this narrative. Second of all, the session really takes 5 to 10 minutes. It has nothing in compare if somebody buy your service for doing portrait photography, because such sessions should take 1 hour to 2 hours, because it's a client thing. It's not just about taking pictures, but it's also about everything in before, what to wear, where to meet, you know, all those things. The person is prepared for having a conversation with you, having a photography with you. It's completely different narrative. And the third thing, because if you think that you're losing money, first of all, some of the people are paying me for doing even this. I'm giving them this buy me a coffee option if they would like to support me. Some of them are sending me like €5, $2. Some of them send me nothing, some of them send me more, and some of them will order my services for money. And this is, you know, the marketing thing. First of all, they found out that you do amazing good photography, or you do good photography. They like them, they felt good with you, they like the photography, and they say like, okay, so next time let's do it much better planned, you know, when I'm sleep for it, when I'm having the mood for it, when I think what I will wear, and so on and so on and so on. So it gives you another space for, first of all, finding clients, but second of all, it gives them the confidence to say like, oh my god, I actually look good on camera. It's not that hard, it's good. So it also opens space for you that maybe not immediately, but for more people you approach, bigger chance that any of you will also get a job from my job actually, because they will say like, okay, I liked it, but I really like the work of this photograph, maybe I will buy this photograph service. It will open their mind, because before this encounter they didn't even think about having a photo session. And after this experience with us, if we are doing a good job, it gives them the feeling, and a righteous feeling, that they belong in front of the camera. They want nice pictures. Everybody would like to have nice pictures, and then the only matter is the price. And then no one wants to pay for anything in general, especially in those countries. But the reality is that few of them want, and this is the people you would like to have. And also, you never know how many people you will reach because of their social media. So it works as a perfect marketing instrument, and also as an instrument for you to grow up your skills, the city where you want to shoot, so you know much more places, because you're just walking around the city and it's like, oh my god, I passing through around this for 5 years in a row, I never seen this amazing corner, you know. And it gives you much more opportunities. The thing is that both of our jobs, because I'm also a portrait photographer in a normal, like with normal clients, but it gives us more opportunities. It's another marketing instrument which you can use, and it has much multiplication effects than just finding new clients. You're giving yourself a space to explore your skills, your strengths, your weaknesses. This is like a very important thing, but we all can have this multiplication effect on each other. It's called the positive externality. If I do a very good job with somebody, the possibility that this person likely hire also you, it's much bigger, because before that it was 0. So the answer is no, no one takes the job out of you. Actually, it's the opposite. But maybe you don't but maybe you don't agree, so write me in the comments below what do you think. Give me a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you like it, and check Buy Me a Coffee. There are some things for you for free if you become a member, or you can buy my presets and so on and so on. Yes, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.